Digital Readout Systems, DRO.
Precision upgraded by Technologies KSA.
Precision depends on accurate measurement. At Technologies KSA, we enhance machine performance by integrating high-accuracy digital readout systems across a wide range of machines.
Our capability covers CNC and conventional lathes, milling machines, grinding machines, boring machines, drilling machines, and surface or cylindrical grinders. With professional installation and precision alignment, we ensure DRO scales are mounted with exact parallelism and perpendicularity, essential for micron-level accuracy.
Our team performs complete system calibration, axis verification, and motion mapping to guarantee reliable, repeatable digital feedback.
Upgrading machines with digital accuracy.